Let's play a little YouTube feud. I asked 100 people, and the top 5 answers are on the board. The question: why do certain YouTube content creators get to 1,000 subscribers quicker than others? These are the top 5 answers based on my extensive research with not 100 people, but AI. I asked ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude what the top 5 reasons are for people, content creators on YouTube, to reach 1,000 subscribers quicker than others. And I am not going to go from last to first. I'm going to go first to last only because I think you're going to stick around until the end. It's not a very long video, but it's packed with information. The number one reason why some content creators reach 1,000 subscribers quicker than others is they have a very specific niche. That means they talk about one small section of one small topic. Let's say you were thinking about making a cooking show and you just wanted to talk about cooking. Everybody's talking about cooking. You're not going to get a lot of subscribers. How about you going to lower the audience or compact the audience to maybe Italian cooking? Go even further than that. Make it even more specific. How to cook northern Italian delicacies. Much narrower than cooking. It's better to have a narrow niche and get a lot of people who are interested in that niche than have a huge disparity between what you're really talking about and what other people are talking about. The number 2 reason is searchable topics, meaning that you are presenting content that people are searching for. So if people come in and they search for Northern Italian delicacy cooking, they're going to come to your channel. I also thought maybe number 3 could be number 2 because I saw it in a lot of different AI comparisons. Number 3 is having high quality thumbnails and very, very interesting and eye-grabbing titles. Some people say you can't judge a book by its cover. Well, if your cover looks better than a lot of other people's cover, they are going to pick on your video to play rather than a bland thumbnail, or maybe no thumbnail at all. Looks more professional. You can get help with making your thumbnails on AI. I make all of my thumbnails on AI. The number 4 reason is consistency. You want to create consistency for both your viewers and the YouTube algorithm. You want that algorithm to expect a video every week or 2 or 3 videos every week. And the viewers will come to realize that this YouTube video content creator usually drops a video on Mondays, and they look forward to that. I know that I do. When I watch videos, I know there's a certain couple of content creators that I follow every day. They do a video every morning, 5 days a week. Just like when you watch that Netflix series that drops a new episode every Tuesday, you know that you're going to be watching Netflix, that episode on Tuesday. Consistency. You can be assured that you're going to get to watch that video. And that's what you want to do with consistently producing and dropping videos on some sort of schedule. The number 5 reason is a bit of a wild card, even for those content creators who have millions of subscribers. And what I'm talking about, to get to 1,000 subscribers quicker than others, you may need 1 or 2 viral videos. And as I referenced those content creators with millions of subscribers, I listened to a few of their videos about their first couple of viral videos. They actually had no reason to believe that that viral video was going to be so successful. In fact, they didn't spend a lot of time on that viral video. They spent time on other videos or content that they thought was perfect, that was going to go viral, but it never did. That's the wild card aspect of it. You never really know what is going to go viral. Maybe you have to hit something just before it gets ready to be popular with YouTube or the search engines, or you may have hit the algorithm at the right time. Getting 1 or 2 viral videos is certainly going to help you get to 1,000 subscribers quicker than other content creators. And if you don't know which viral video is going to get there, going back to consistently placing videos on YouTube, more videos will give you more chances of going viral. Maybe you don't have to be perfect with that video for it to be viral. Maybe you just have to put one out there, make it a little bit better than the last one. Still not perfect. And then, hopefully, you'll have better chances of getting a viral video. Those are the top 5. Here is the bonus. The bonus is asking for subscribers at the right time in your video. Meaning, if somebody is coming to your video to help them solve a problem or for entertainment, if you ask for a subscription before you give the answer or you give them entertainment, doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose? Subscriptions or a call to subscriptions should happen right after you give an answer or you provide some sort of entertainment, meaning you don't get something for nothing. You have to give people what they want, and then they will be more apt to subscribe. There you have it, 5 plus an extra bonus. Thank you for watching Profit from the Pod with Tom Rowe. Be kind.